Hi guys!
Hey, welcome. Today we're headed into Kohl's to do something that I know is your favorite.
Retail arbitrage!
Join us.
These are Sonoma, but they're marked down to $7.49. Good deals on end of the season things like summer stuff.
So we're seeing that the Sonoma board shorts that have a really colorful pattern on them are actually selling pretty well. And, oh, whoops. This particular pattern right here, there's like 3 people standing around here holding this pattern. So we grabbed every single one we could find, medium, small, whatever size. So.
And what's the price marked on those?
$7.49. We can get at least 15, so we'll double our money. Probably a little bit more if we're willing to sit on them for, till next year, basically.
Yeah.
Cool. So summertime is coming to an end. We're picking up some swimsuits at a really good deal, but we're kind of here because it's back to school time.
Exactly. And now is the time to start stocking your closet with back to school and Halloween.
For sure, yeah. We've been selling a lot of like sweatshirts in our eBay store, so we're going to be looking for that stuff too. Here's something that looks alright. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, everybody loves those. And these Leonardo figures here are looking like they're going for at least $15, $16 right now. And if we wait till Christmas time, we'll probably be able to triple our money at $6.99 a piece. And there's 5 of them. These tiny little figures here are selling from Australia for $15 a piece. They want $2 on clearance here. None selling from the United States, but we'll take a chance on that.
Look, I found a beautiful tankini for $6 on sale. And then I looked up these little guys. It's a Dr. Seuss character, and it looks like a couple of them have sold for $12.99, and this one's on sale for $3.50.
Oh, nice.
Is this overkill?
I don't know if we need that many.
Let me know how many you'd like.
I think we should maybe try half a dozen.
6.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll pick out 6 of the fuzziest. So I'm digging around all of this clearance stuff, and I find a pair of Lauren Conrad jeans for $7.50, and I pulled up some comps, and they're going for somewhere around $20, $21. And these are the high-rise skinny. So although they're not boot cut, they are the high-rise skinny, and they do have a slimming panel. So I think these are definitely going home with us.
Here's a little bit of what we're looking for the fall coming up. Here again are some Sonoma brand. They only want $2 for these. They're originally $24. They looks like they're selling if they have a nice cool pattern. Here's Bigfoot. We have some dogs. Here's your plain camo. Here's some ski and snowboards and a cool winter pattern here. We'll take all these here for $2.50.
So I'm over here poking around through women's underwear, which is one of my favorite things, and I came upon these beautiful Bali set of 3, and these are 4-way fabric flexes, and it's a set of 3 briefs for $9, you guys. I looked them up on the solds, and there were only a few of them, and they were going for $28. So I'm gonna dig through the rest of this, and I'm gonna hope that I can find some more. Wish me luck.
This is a pretty cool hoodie, Marvel Black Panther. Originally $50 and then they want $10. Looks like we can get at least $20.
Look at all these brand new Cuddle Dud base layers for $5.
Ooh.
I know, amazing. There's a whole thing down here.
Okay.
And so let's look through them.
Nice. kind of like this one. Upon closer examination of these Pabst blue ribbon shirts, I've got two here that are XXL. I'm going to pick these up because they only want $14 for them, and they're actually going for around that price, something similar anyway, but right now there is nothing exact online. I'd really, really love this Goonies shirt too. Same price, nothing online.
We found so many different kinds of things, but one of my favorite things to always pick up is underwear. Today at Kohl's, there's a 40% off discount on Hanes and Jockey. So these were on sale for $5.40 and 40% off that. These beautiful Hanes ones were $8, 40% off that. And then of course the Jockey ones. So we're very, very thankful for that. I also picked up a pair of Bally, a set of 3 for $9. These are so comfortable, and they're a set of 3. So I was excited about that.
Awesome.
Yeah, and then I don't know if you guys know this, but Hanes is doing an EcoSmart tight for leggings tight kind of thing. And so I got a couple of these for $5. And we should be able to flip them for, you know, somewhere around 20. Beautiful, cute patterns, $5.
Awesome.
Can't beat that.
Cool.
And one more thing, and then I'll let you go over to your basket, which I'm excited, is I got a pair of Lauren Conrad jeans here for $7.50. High-rise mom jeans. I went through an entire huge, I think these were mismarked, honestly. So yeah, I was really excited about these.
Awesome. And then down on the bottom there you found...
Oh, I found all these little babies. These are the Dr. Seuss little stuffed animals, and they go to charity, and they're on sale for $3.50, and it says, Mr. Brown can moo, can you? So we have
Sure can.
just a really nice big...
Yeah, we got 6 of those. Nice work.
Don't let Elmer see these. All right, babe, well, why don't you show
Also,
me what you got?
Sure. Also in this card here, I picked up a few toys. This one is only like $3.50. We should, you know, we're looking for at least a $10 profit on everything we're picking up here, so we got that there. Also, these little guys here, I really don't even know what these are. $1.99 a piece. I scanned them. The only ones that are selling are coming from Australia, so we'll take a chance. And they're coming, you know, like $15 or so that's cool.
Good deal.
Also, we found 4 or 5 of these Leonardo Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. At $7 a piece, we're going to be able to double, triple our money, especially around Christmas time. So, also, over here in this cart, honey, actually, you came across all of these cuddle duds here, these base layers. Now, we picked out all of the ones that were $5. So, right here, there's, I don't know how many we have, like 10 of them or so. Nice work here because we can get at least $20 for these.
At least, yeah.
Yeah, so we have some more really cool things for the winter time coming up. Now these Sonoma brand
jammy bottoms.
Jammy bottoms here. Looks like they were going for a good $15-20 at least, and we're getting them for $2.40 a piece.
Yay!
40% off that, it looks like, so that's cool.
Oh my goodness.
Have all of these really fun different patterns here. I also found a couple of these shirts. I really like this Marvel hoodie here.
Nice.
This is $10, and it's going for at least 20. So I'm saying more like 30 or 40 at that. So.
Oh yeah.
And Pabst Blue Ribbon.
How fun!
I mean, these are pretty cool. No exact ones online right now, so we can ask almost what we want, but similar ones are going for $20, $30. They want 14 for this, and we may be able to get 40% off if that's the sale going on today. And here's a Goonies shirt. I mean, my gosh, I may be wearing this myself.
Goonies.
I don't know. We'll see.
Well done, touche, baby. Wow.
And then you remember us when we first came in?
Oh yeah,
We
swimsuits.
picked up. Oh my gosh, look at all these guys. how many pairs.
Oh yeah, and they were all on sale.
Nice
And I
bright
think
colors.
they're probably actually even on sale.
XXL, yes. The Sonoma brand for sure is going to be 40% off today. $7.49, 40% off that.
I know.
For all these. So, I would say, all right, let's go see with all the discounts what we get for all this stuff.
Okay.
Cuteness overload. They're so soft too. These are for charity, right? The money goes to charity on these?
Yes.
That is so cool. 100% of the net profit of this sale supports the health and wellness of families and communities. They've raised over $415 million nationwide to help. Wow. Cool. Okay, stinky dog spray. We're putting this on the business account. That's okay. We can't run our business with stinky dogs. These are really nice swim trunks. I have to say, when we come to Kohl's, we meet the nicest people at the checkout. Like the cashiers are so nice. I didn't see these Sasquatch pants.
Mm-hmm.
That's like their everything.
So you're saving $84.12 with the 40% off. You got some exclusions in there, like the charitable items, some of the toys, I believe maybe some of the sleepwear, men's accessories. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Of course, you got $244.93. You guys are earning back $40 of Kohl's credit.
Alright guys, check this out. Look at that there. 55 items for $244.93. That comes out to $4.45 per item. That is pretty awesome.
It is pretty awesome, and we saved $1,114.94 today.
Cha-ching. Wow.
Wow.
I mean, the numbers don't lie. You saw the receipt there. We saved over $1,000 on all of this stuff. And we did some really great shopping, found some great brands.
So did you. I mean, retail arbitrage is where it's at. If we can get these deals, so can you guys.
Really, guys. And when you do, congratulations. And until next time, guys, that's up to you.
Bye. Meanwhile, we're checking out